Hello, let's start brick masonry. Still now we have completed stone masonry and detailed types of stone masonry. The next or second half of this topic, that is brick masonry. What is meant by brick masonry? The construction of bricks bonded together with mortar is called as brick masonry. This is a simple construction done by using a bricks bonded together with mortar. Brick masonry is most widely used over other type of masonry because of its advantages over other type of masonry, such as all bricks being similar in size and shape can be laid in definite pattern. Okay, every brick is having standard shape and size, and therefore it can be laid in a definite pattern, and so the construction of brick masonry is easy. Bricks do not need dressing like stone. Brick does not require any type of dressing, as the bricks have already its standard shape and size. That's why bricks directly used for the construction. Then bricks are easily handled by masons because of small size and lightweight. Then bricks are easily available. There are lots of plants of bricks at every place available, and that's why bricks can be available at any site easily. Then ornamental work can be done easily. Next, brick masonry or the terms used in brick masonry. These are the some basic terms used during the construction of brick masonry: header, stretcher, closer, quench, course, face, back, hurting, bat, bond, joints, lap, prog, line, level, plumb. First of all, just look over the basic components of a brick masonry. Very important, obviously, brick. What is a brick? A brick is a type of block used to make walls or pavements and other elements in masonry construction. Traditionally, the term brick referred to a unit composed of fired clay, and the standard size of brick is 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter. You can clearly see in the diagram the elevation face or the front face of the brick, which is longer, or the longer length of this brick is 19 centimeter, then its height is 9 and width is also 9 centimeter. Then second component of the brick masonry is sand. Sand is a granular material composed of finely divided rock and mineral particles. It is defined by size, being finer than gravel and coarser than silt. Okay, it means sand is finer than gravel and coarser, or we can say larger than silt. And nowadays sand used for the construction is, it may be natural sand or artificial sand, and nowadays use of artificial sand is being increasing. Then next and third part, important component of the brick masonry is a cement. A cement is a binder. It binds a sand, brick together. A cement is a binder, a substance used for construction that sets, hardens and adheres to other materials to bind them together. Okay, then let's come back to the terms used in brick masonry. First, header. When the brick or block of stone is laid in such a way that its breadth and thickness is visible, it is said to be laid as header. Header and stretcher, these are two terms used in case of brick masonry. You can see the brick shown in the diagram, in which the longer part is stretcher and the shorter part of the brick is header. Stretcher, when the brick or stone block is laid in such a way that in the elevation its length and thickness is visible, and that is called as stretcher. Then next term, closer, and there are again types of closer are there that we will study after these terms. What is meant by closer? It is a portion of brick with the cut made longitudinally and is used to close a bond at the end of the course. A closer helps in preventing the joints of successive sources. It may higher or lower to come in a vertical line. Now, in this figure, lot of terms shown in this single figure. You can see course, then at the bottom there is joint, then header, stretcher, face, back, queen closer, frog, bat. All these terms shown in this figure. Let's see the meaning of each term. What is meant by course? One horizontal layer of bricks or stones is called as course. Here in this diagram you can see there are number of horizontal layers or courses are there, and that each horizontal layer of brick is called as course. Then face, you can see clearly in the diagram, face is shown at outer side. The outer or exposed face of the wall is called as face, and the internal surface of the wall is called as back. Just opposite, and these are the opposite terms, face and back. Then the next term is hurting. The interior portion of wall between the face and back is called as hurting or filling. Okay, it is just an internal part between face and back. Then what is meant by bond? Method of arranging bricks in courses so that individual units are tied together, that is called as bond. That means the bonding or joining the different or a number of bricks, that is called as bond. Then joints, or what is joint? It is a junction of two or more bricks in wall construction. It is a simply junction between two or more bricks in the wall construction, that is called as joint. Then lap, it is horizontal distance between the vertical joints in a successive courses. Lap is just a horizontal distance between two successive vertical joints. Okay, here in the diagram you can see there are horizontal and vertical joints, but lap is horizontal distance between two successive vertical joints. Okay, just study detail about all these terms used in brick masonry. Remaining terms we will study in the next lecture. Thank you.